In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a GOG Cloud Sync error quickly and easily. If your game is not syncing properly, showing cloud save issues, or refusing to update your progress, this simple troubleshooting method can often get things working again in just a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. The first fix is to toggle cloud saves inside the GOG client. Open GOG Galaxy on your computer and go to Settings. From there, click Game Features. This is where you'll find the cloud save option for your games. Now look for cloud saves and uncheck it. This temporarily turns the feature off and helps reset the syncing process. After you disable it, wait a moment. Give it a few seconds so the client has time to register the change fully. Then go back and turn cloud saves back on by checking the box again. This simple off and on refresh can solve a lot of cloud sync problems because it forces GOG to reinitialize the connection. Once you've done that, the next step is to repair the game installation. Go to your library and find the game that is having the cloud sync error. Click on the game, then look for the customization icon next to the play button. This icon usually opens extra options for that game. After clicking the customization icon, choose Manage Installation and then select Verify/Repair. GOG will now scan the game files and check for any missing or corrupted data. If there is a file problem causing the cloud sync error, this step can often fix it automatically. Let the verification process finish completely. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes. Once it's done, try launching the game again and see if the cloud sync issue is gone. In many cases, simply toggling cloud saves and running a repair is enough to restore normal syncing. If the error still appears, make sure your internet connection is stable and that GOG Galaxy is fully updated. Sometimes a temporary connection issue or an outdated client can also interfere with cloud saves. You can also restart the client and sign out and back in if needed. So to recap, the first fix is to go to Settings, open Game Features, turn cloud saves off, wait a moment, and turn it back on. The second fix is to open the game in your library, click the customization icon, go to Manage Installation, and run Verify/Repair. These two steps are the best quick solution for most GOG Cloud Sync errors. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.